Hey YouTube, here I have a rear camera lens for an LG G6. This part is commonly broken. I've seen it broken several times on the V20, the V10, and the G6 as well. But it's actually a very simple repair. You can remove the lens from the exterior. Now what I'm doing is just heating it up with a heat gun to get that adhesive underneath that lens a little bit softer, and it comes right out. This is all real time and will be done in roughly 2 minutes. So first, heat it up, and you're gonna want it slightly hot to the touch. There's a couple ways to go about this, and I'll show you each of the methods as well. Luckily, this is a pretty easy repair. You can break the camera, but as long as you're careful, you shouldn't run into any issues. So first, I'm trying to pry in between the metal or the glass back plate and the camera lens itself. It's a little too cracked, so I'm going to try a different approach. I'm going to insert a spudger, a plastic spudger, in through the opening of the crack, and if your adhesive is soft enough, it's actually all going to come off in one piece. And just like that, it all just came out. Now you're going to use a brush to brush out any of the remaining shards of glass, and make sure that there's no glass in between the optical image stabilizer, or else when you go to take a picture, it won't be able to focus. So I'm trying to tap out the pieces of glass here, blowing it out, make sure it's dusted out properly so the new adhesive sets. If there's existing adhesive, you'll want to scrape that out, but it got all of it out in that one pull. As long as you heat it up enough, but not too much, it's now clean. Now, depending on your replacements, this is where there's some debate. There are some lower quality parts and some higher quality ones. The lower quality ones will be plastic based, whereas the higher quality ones will be glass. Now, plastic won't break as easy, but it will scratch easier, so the quality of your photos might be changed, but the glass can crack, as you can see here. So I just remove the adhesive, lay it down, and it is set. And just like that, you fixed the rear lens on a LG G6.